Hey guys, like and subscribe to this video. And if you new, hit the subscribe button. But let's get into this video. This video is about nothing but the story of my toothbrush and me. So once upon a time. Hey guys, this is my favorite toothbrush. Me. I goes into her mouth, see? And then I say,